This comprehensive study of the last 6 commandments focuses on our relationship with other people. Using a colorful God's Law booklet, students are challenged to rewrite each commandment in the positive, think about practical ways they could break or keep each one, and discover how the New Testament sheds some additional light on the topic. Each commandment concludes with a memory aid using donuts. For example, the commandment, "Do not commit adultery," can be visualized with a ring, a donut ring, and giving your friend a jelly donut and telling him it's cream-filled breaks the 9th commandment. Students are given 9 real-life scenarios from Exodus 21 and 22, and then use signs to indicate their guess as to whether the punishment for each is a monetary fine or life. The purpose for this can be found on the worksheet God's Law Uncovering the Patterns, which uncovers several principles, including the sanctity of human life as God's image bearers. Students color code the covenant between God and the Israelites using blue to underline the unified response of the people, green to highlight ceremonial details, and red to bracket where Moses placed blood during the ceremony, a foreshadowing of Christ's work on the cross. Students work through the worksheet 10 Commandments, Backbone of God's Law, on which they can see that most Old Testament laws can be categorized into one of the 10 core commandments. The lesson concludes with Jesus' summation of the 10 Commandments into 2 principles: love God and love people. While we can't do this perfectly, there is someone who will never fail us and is the ultimate good friend who sticks closer than a brother. In fact, he willingly gave up his life so that we could have eternal life. Jesus is a true friend.